Right, we are in Church Fenton. It's Sunday and we've got a team of 4 of us. We're going to bash this one up really quickly. It's 4.7 by, I think it was 2.7, 2.9, so it's near enough 5B3. We've got all the stuff here and we're going to go for it, so it's going to be really quick, really fast. We're going to try and get the roof on today as well. They're being built, so we're using 4x2 CLS timber, structural grade, 400 centres there. Back wall, like I say, being built. I'll get a screw at each end just to secure it so it doesn't fall on anybody, but it'll stand up by itself anyway. We'll plumb it and rack it and straighten it when we get the other walls up. That's left wall being built. That'll go up as well. Just cutting for the right wall. So I've fixed the left wall. I've fixed it up the side to the back wall as well, and we've got 2 screws each in the bottom. We're now going to put this right wall up, and then we'll get the front wall up then rather, and then we'll rack and brace everything. Okay, so we're doing front walls now.
That's not going to be 400 though, that's the centre line, isn't it?
And we're going to the centre of this 400, aren't
Yes.
we? Yeah, 400 spacing.
Right, so we're measuring. Right, so we're doing front walls now. They're out of 5x2, so we'll carry steel. And then when we put the steel on the top, that will be in line as well. So we're using this string line. I showed you before what we do with there. We'll put 3 same size blocks in it, like such. And then we'll put the block down the front and measure off. Throw a shot on the block. So what'll happen now is we'll get this 3rd block.
Yep.
We'll slide it down.
Nail gun.
Like that. You see how that there now, so this wall wants pushing back because it's touching. Come on mate, push it.
That's what we're worried about.
Bit more. Bit more.
I'm going to kick it.
Bit more. There. Whoa, too much, John. There, we're good there.
Coming in.
Through that one.
Oh, yeah, there.
Screw it. Send it in, Sean. A little bit. A little bit. Hit it then.
Sorry, I don't want it to watch.
A bit more. Oh,
I can't see your hand, you see, that's why. I can't see your hand. I can't see you.
A bit more, a little bit. There.
Very
good. Yep. Right, so we've got the walls up. What we're going to do now is going to rack and brace it. So John's got a level on that end there. That timber there is fixed at the bottom off that wall. So we'll get the wall plumb that way, and when I screw into each of them, that'll stay solid. You all good? You do it. You good? Yeah. Missed it. We good, John?
Yeah, just get one in somewhere else so I can just double check.
We good?
Release. Perfect.
That's it, Sean. We've got it plumbed that way. What we're going to do is plumb it this way and all by means of these CLS there. We've cut 45 degrees on it, which will get us something right. What we'll do is we'll pop a screw in there. John will put the level on that wall, and when we've got it level, I will then screw it to the floor and that will hold it that way as well. John?
2 minutes, I'm getting it. It's a bit more to you because it's literal. Oh, way too much. Back to me now. Ease up, ease up. There you go.
We'll follow that. So we'll follow that procedure all the way around these walls, the side walls and the front walls, and that'll be the walls racked and braced. Walls up, back, front, sides. They're all braced. They're all racked. Everything's plumb. You can see there we've left us a little drop down. We're going to put our steel in there, which is going to be brought round now and cut. That's it. One as well. So that's our 160 by 80 steel hollow beam. That'll provide us lintel.
Right, tell us when you're in.
I'm in.
They're going to try and shoulder press this, but I think it's just a bit out of their reach.
I'm in.
I've got his side up.
Yeah.
You can't be over.
No, you're not. You're not. Is it too tight?
No, it's don't.
There we go.
Steady. With a bit of a miss on that one, I must admit.
Now 11mm. They're clad in it. What I'm doing, I'm marking the boards there for cutting. The boards are 4 foot, whereas the plaster boards are 1.2. So we're going to trim the boards down to 1.2. I've marked them like that so that they can find where the timbers are to nail them. We use 63mm ring cut nails and Paslow to fix them. Right, so we're going to jump on the roof now. It's 11:25. We started at 8:30. Hot walls are up, steel's in. Lads are just bringing out roof timbers now. I'm going to drop the roof on now.
177.
It's 1:45. It's Sunday. The full roof is on now. You can see the row of noggins. All the external timbers on, side trims. What we're going to do now is get the noggins in the wall and board the roof as well. The wall, the roof timbers, so they're actually nailed from underneath and spiked both sides. It's important that you do this because with a flat roof, if that wind gets it, it'll be like a massive sail and it'll rip it off in no time at all. So you can see the nails all spiked in. It's 5-minute polyurethane glue. You can see there I've marked up where my joists are, so that when I put my next board on, I know where to nail. Once that glue's gone off, we'll scrape that off and we'll tidy up the boards, get rid of any little burrs, give it all a blow down, and then we'll be ready for putting fascia and soffit and then the rubber. Roof's nearly on now.
Working environment.
And now we've put us soffits on, black UPV soffits. You can just see them around there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to trim these bits off, trim that front bit off, and then we'll put our fascia on. Fascia going on.
Halfway inside the Swansea house, Dallas out to his left is found in the house.
So that's all the fascia I've trimmed down to the height of the roof now. I'm going to go around with multi-tool and make sure all the nails and any burrs are off the roof, all the glue's off the roof. I'll give it a blow off with the blower, which we're just putting a bit of petrol in, and then we'll be good for rubber. So we've got rubber up on the roof now, we've rolled it back halfway. John's just going to come up and we're going to apply the water-based adhesive and brush it out with that soft brush there, get rid of any bubbles. And then we'll roll this side back, same as that one, and start again on that side. Two-part gutter trim on now, the rubber's on. I've already put that piece on there. This piece then goes on and it traps the rubber up in there so the rain goes down off there and into your gutter. Curb trim going on there, that's the joining piece of the curb trim. We fix it with these black poly top nails. They don't want driving home. You see I've left a little gap there. They don't want driving home because that'll expand in the sun. If you drive them home it'll all bubble. So they just want leaving a little bit slack like that. There's the roof completely finished. All the rubber's bonded down. All the trims are on. Corner trims, upstand trims, two-part gutter trim. Complete. Okay, so Sherburn, no we're not, where are we?
Church Fenton.
Church Fenton. It's just short of 5 metres by 3 metres. We've built it in 8 hours 40 minutes. There's 4 of us here on site today. We've got the roof on, the roof's bonded down, fascia and soffit's all done. We're just missing our corner bits off our fascia there. We got sent the wrong ones by the suppliers. Northern Building Plastics, you let me down. So that's it, that one's built and on the way. We'll get back and insulate the ceiling and we'll wrap it, put some feather edge on it. We've got a cutter window out on the side there. There's going to be 3 metre bifolds which will all slide this way from right, am I right? Yeah, they'll all slide that way. And you'll have a window on that side, like I say. So if you keep watching, you'll see it built. Thanks for all my subscriptions, all my comments, all my nice comments, and the couple of nasty ones I've had as well. Thanks for them as well. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.